Good afternoon. It's me again, Devin, here with another how-to video. And today at Coleman Power Sports, I'm going to be showing you exactly how to replace the seat on your Coleman B200 mini bike. This same replacement is going to be the exact same for all of our mini bikes with the exception of our smallest, the B100. And for this replacement, you're going to use a 8mm socket head, an extension because it does help for comfort and make the job a lot smoother and easier, an 8mm wrench, and a 10mm. Let's get to it. So for me, I found it a lot easier, smoother, cleaner to do this job by removing the rear mud guard here. Why? Because if you see here, you have 1 and 2 8mm bolts that hold the seat in place. And if I stuck an extension back there, it's possible that I can either scratch or chip the paint, and we don't want that to happen. So in order to keep that from happening, I find it easy just to remove the entire thing and we can keep our bike looking good. So in order to do so, you're gonna grab your 10mm wrench. And as you can see on the back there is a 8mm lock nut, 1 on each side with a 8mm spacer, just to keep the paint from chipping, as I was speaking about before. So you're gonna wanna use your wrench to hold that lock nut in place as you loosen your 8mm bolt, as we are. And here you have 2 more 8mm bolts that are in place with the welding. So you don't need a wrench to hold a lock nut in place, but you will need a wrench in order to loosen. As you see. And once it's untightened enough, you can actually just use your hand from this point on and take it out as such. See? And like I said before, these bolts are already prematurely dismembered just because I wanted to make this just as informational as possible and quick as possible for you guys to understand that this job is fairly simple and very easy. So I'm gonna get this bolt off and I'll be right back. So as you can see, we have plenty of room, plenty of space without that fender being there. No chipping, no scratching, just straight action to the bolts. So you're gonna grab your 8mm socket head, and keep in mind there's gonna be a 8mm spring washer behind these as well to prevent paint chipping, you know? So we're doing it right the whole way. All you're gonna have to do, loosen it up. These are not in place with a lock nut behind it. They're gonna be in place with the welding just as the fender is on top here. So as soon as you loosen those up a little bit, you can then, by hand, go ahead and remove the bolt as such. Don't lose your washers. Lift your seat up and slide it out from under the hooks like I spoke about earlier. And there you have it, guys. How to replace your Coleman Power Sports B200 seat. Slide it back under first. It'll sit right in place, and make sure that you can see the holes line up on both sides. It makes the job a lot cleaner, smoother, and faster by removing that rear mud guard. But there you have it, the replacement of the seat for the Coleman B200. You guys have a good one. I hope this message was very helpful. Bye-bye. Thank you.